Hey everyone, it's Ween here. In today's video tutorial, I'm excited to show you a quick and easy method that even complete beginners can use to start making money with affiliate marketing using free Google websites. Plus, by the end of this video, I'll reveal how you can double and even triple your affiliate earnings with the help of artificial intelligence. It's going to be a pretty cool ride, so stick around. All right, let's dive in. The very first thing we're going to do is head over to a website called trends.pinterest.com. No, we're not using Pinterest itself, but rather Pinterest trends to predict which niche or category we should target to make money. For example, I found a promising niche, prom suits for men. By analyzing the trend data, we can see those searches for this term skyrocket around April and May, coinciding with prom season. This tells us that there's a huge potential audience looking for prom suits during this time, presenting a great opportunity for us to monetize. But how did I find this offer? Well, it's simple. By navigating to the interest section on Pinterest trends and exploring categories like men's fashion, I stumbled upon the prom suits for men trend, which showed a significant upward trajectory in searches. Now, armed with this valuable insight, we're going to leverage it by creating content. We'll head over to a free website called medium.com where we can write blog posts. I'll show you how to craft an article titled 5 Best Prom Suits for Men 2024 or something similar. The key here is to align our content with the trending niche and provide valuable information to potential buyers. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of spending hours researching and writing the article ourselves, we're going to use artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting for us. By visiting chat.openai.com, we can instruct the AI to generate a blog article about 5 trendy prom suits for men in 2024. In just a few seconds, we have a well-written article that we can customize to our liking. Next, we'll need to monetize our content. We'll head over to kit.co, an affiliate marketing network, to find suitable products to promote. By bundling together various prom suits into a kit, we can offer our audience a curated selection of products they can purchase. We'll then generate an affiliate link for our kit, which we'll include in our Medium article. To make our article more engaging, we'll sprinkle it with images of the featured prom suits. These visuals will not only capture the reader's attention, but also provide them with a visual representation of the products we're promoting. Once our article is polished and ready to go, we'll publish it on Medium. But before hitting that publish button, we'll ensure to add relevant keywords to improve its visibility on Google. This will help attract organic traffic to our article, increasing the likelihood of earning affiliate commissions. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, we've created a revenue-generating content piece using the power of AI and affiliate marketing. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and strategic content creation, you can build a lucrative income stream through affiliate marketing. If you're interested in learning more about how to make money with Pinterest and affiliate marketing, be sure to subscribe and drop a comment, and I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.